Good morning, children. Welcome to the class. So, children, today we'll discuss about how to create a tables in our web page. Tables means you are knowing to store our data, to show our data in a tabular form. Means a table is having a column and a row. Tables are used to store the data in rows and columns. In HTML, tables are created with a table tag. To add data in each row, TD tag is used. So here, table tag we are using, and listen, table tag is a non-empty tag. Non-empty tag means this tag is having a open tag and a end tag also. So while writing a table tag, we have to mention the row of that table and we have to mention the column of table. Here the column of table is mentioned with the help of TD tag. Okay, so here the TR tag and TD tag is also a non-empty tag. So TR tag and TD tag is also having a open tag and end tag. How to write this tag? See, type the tag table and then after that type the tag TR. TR is for row. TR is for row. Then under that row, how many columns are there? Type the tag TD. Then TD means how many TD you want, means how many columns you want that particular row, that you have to mention is, and then close it. Okay, see here it is given in the program. See the program, it is given. Table tag border equal to 2. So table tag by default attribute is border. So if you are not giving the border, so it will not show the border of table and you are not able to mention whether it is table or not. So by default you have to give an attribute border equal to 2. 2 or 3, any you give 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the thin or thickness of our border lines. So table border equal to 2. Then TR it is there. See here TR is given here. TR means table row open. Then TD dosa, TD idli, TD uttapam means, and TR close. See after the TR close, it means in one row 3 column is there. That column's name is column name filled with the data dosa, idli and uttapam. Then again TR open here. Then again TD burger, pizza, rice and TR close. After closing the TR, the browser will know about the row is closing on that particular column. Then after that close the table tag and see the output of this. See here that first row dosa, idli, uttapam is mentioned here, and then second row burger, pizza and rice. So here 2 row and 3 column. Okay, like this it will display in the browser page. So like this you have to make the table tag. Then come to the hyperlinks. Hyperlinks means if you are opening any website, suppose if you are opening means any amazon.com, if you are opening, okay, that you are knowing about the online shopping, if any web page if you are open, means I am giving here the example of online shopping website. Online shopping website I am giving the examples, but all the types of website means website is having the same process of linking. So here if you are opening one website opening, and then the front page is known as the home page. After that the link page is given. So means go to the next page or click on that page if for going to the next page. So that page is connected to home page. Every web page which is connected to home page with the help of linking only, with the help of this hyperlink only. Okay, with the help of this hyperlink we are able to connect one page to another page, to connect or to link a page. So hyperlinks are the links in the web page which is on clicking take you to some another location of the website or the web page. A link is a pointer from one document to the other document, destination document. It means that link you are knowing everything, means you are knowing about the linking. If you are clicking on the link, one page will open, another page will open, means that link, one page is linked with that particular link it is given there. So in HTML, anchor tag is used to insert a hyperlink. This tag is used this tag is called the anchor tag. The href attribute is used to set the location or URL of the destination page or site. The text between the opening tag and closing tag becomes the hypertext or link text. Okay, so here it is given anchor tag. It is given an anchor tag. One attribute is href. So href, that href you have to write the location of that particular page. Which type of page or which page you want to link with this page, front page, you have to mention the address, full address of that particular page with the help of this href. So anchor tag we are using for hyperlinks. Under the anchor tag, one attribute is given here, href. In href you have to mention the location of that particular page. Okay, then see the coding of hyperlinks. The tag anchor tag with the attribute href, as how to write a href equal to location, double quote, location it is given here. So location you have to mention the location where your page is saved in the computer. Then it is given here d:\wallpapers qt.jpg, like this the address will appear. And then after that you have to write click here. In the place of click here, anything you write, means the click here will be mentioned in your web page as a form of linking page. While you are clicking on, then click here the location href d:/wallpapers/qt.jpg, where it is saved, it is that page will be open with the help of this. So you have to give the name, you have to write the name after means after, in between open tag of anchor tag and close tag, anchor close tag, you have to write whatever you are right there, that line should be made as a linking page. Okay, so see here how to write anchor tag href, it is given that wallpaper, click here and then closing the tag. So what is the output of this? See here the click here, it is mentioned here, click here under that line, it means in your computer it will visible as a blue color, and then there if you are clicking on the blue color, the wallpaper of that wallpaper what you want to display on the screen, it will display like this here. So this is the linking page. Okay, then come to the, means here the hyperlink is the last topic of this chapter. So after that we'll discuss the exercise. Listen children, you have to read and learn the key points also, and that question will also come. Then see the question answers. So question answers means exercise we have not completed in our notebook, so see from here and then connect, do the work. Multiple choice question. The first one is, the web browser acts as a compiler for the HTML documents. BR tag and HR tag are empty tags. BG color is the attribute of body tag. Then write the names of the following tags. Bold B tag means bold text, OL means order list, A means anchor tag, IMG tag means image insertion, HR tag means horizontal line, BR tag means break line. Then quiz, what is the extension of an HTML document, .html or .htm. Then which tag is used to create a bulleted list, UL. Bulleted list and unordered list is same. Okay, order list means number list, 1 2 3 4 5 6, like this the number list, and unordered list means bulleted list. So order list, short form of order list is OL, so we are taking here the OL tag, and unordered list short form is UL, so we are taking is here UL tag, like this we are taking that. Okay, then these questions will I will give you afterwards how to explain, because it is a lab work only. And then I think you had completed the very short question answers. Today you complete, today means while getting the notebook you complete these questions also. Okay, thank you.